Some doorbell camera videos are funny, some are wholesome, and then there are those that leave you speechless. From a man faking an entire conversation at someone's door, to a mysterious woman watching you through the lens, to flames slowly eating away a house while the owner sleeps inside, this is not your usual porch footage. Let's unravel what was caught when no one thought they were being watched. The first clip seems like a prank until you realize something deeply disturbing is going on. It's the middle of the night. A man casually walks up to a house's front door. There's a car waiting on the street, its headlights casting a faint glow. Instead of knocking or ringing the bell, the man just stands there. He moves his hand like he's pressing the doorbell. He mouths words like he's talking. But no sound. No real knock. Just a performance. He fakes the entire interaction, and the only real audience is the person sitting in that car.
Okay. Sorry about that. Sorry.
At first glance, it feels like a joke, but when you look closer, a chilling possibility starts to form. It looks like the man is being forced. Someone in that car is making him walk up to this door, maybe to commit a crime. But he doesn't want to do it, so he fakes it. He even pretends to speak to a mat, loudly enough for the person in the car to hear. One comment under the video guessed the man might have been pressured into robbing the house, but staged a fake knock and conversation just to avoid it. It's one thing to be caught on camera doing something wrong. It's another thing entirely to get caught faking a crime to avoid committing it. To this day, no one knows what the man was really asked to do, or what would have happened if he hadn't pretended. And just when you think it can't get creepier, it does. The second clip begins innocently enough. A woman walks up to a stranger's front door. No knocking, no speaking, just standing uncomfortably close to the doorbell camera. She tilts her head slightly twitchy, her eyes hollow. But then a car passes by on the street. And like flipping a switch, she suddenly straightens up and acts normal, as if she's just waiting for a friend to let her in. The second the car is gone, she leans back in again, her face practically kissing the camera lens. She stares, motionless. No explanation, no context. The only thing more unsettling than her expression is the eerie silence. Later, when the homeowner reviewed the footage, they confirmed something even weirder. They had no idea who this woman was. She wasn't a neighbor, she wasn't an old friend, and she certainly wasn't someone they'd ever met. So why was she standing at their door, staring directly into their camera, then snapping back into a mask of normalcy anytime someone else passed by? The mystery of her identity, her purpose, and her intention remains unsolved. Maybe she was casing the place. Maybe she was lost. Or maybe it was something more sinister. Sometimes, the scariest visitors are the ones who never speak a word. But not all doorbell videos are quiet. Some come with fire. The third video starts with a strange orange glow far off in the background. It's late. It's quiet. Then you realize the glow is coming from a house just a few doors down. What starts as a flicker quickly grows. Flames. You watch through the lens as fire slowly creeps closer, inching toward the doorbell camera's frame. It's terrifying. But what makes it worse? The owner of the house with the camera is asleep inside.
Oh! Ow!
Luckily, technology did what instincts couldn't. Motion notifications triggered the homeowner's phone, and those pings were loud enough to wake him. He opened the app, expecting maybe a stray animal or some delivery guy. Instead, he saw fire. And not just any fire, one that was growing fast and creeping toward his very home. He rushed outside, grabbed a fire extinguisher, and tried to put it out himself, but the flames had already spread too far. Realizing he couldn't stop it, he escaped through the back door just in time. Imagine being seconds away from a house fire swallowing your home, and the only warning came from a smart doorbell. Those alerts didn't just save the house, they saved the man's life. And that's just 3 stories. The night is far from over. From forced actors on porches to fire creeping in silence, it's clear that sometimes the most terrifying things don't happen in horror movies, they happen on your front steps. Which of these doorbell discoveries did you find the most unsettling? And do you ever wonder what your own camera might catch while you sleep? Let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one.